Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keep symbol panel open on the keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next we scroll down and then we tap on general management. Then scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down and in here tap on swipe, touch and feedback. Now we go down to the last option and then tap on keep symbol panel open. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. Now so that when you touch and hold the period key, keep the panel open after a symbol is selected, so you can enter more than one symbol at a time. So here, if I switch it on, you can see when I go to my keyboard, and if I touch and hold on this period key, you can see this panel will open after I have entered in a key. Otherwise, if we switch it off, then you can see that after I have keyed a symbol or a character, then the panel will close. So that is the option right there for you to have it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.